watching AYV Television.
AYV Empire, Cypher Uncensored.
Where the first beat, the production cola. The first now this year, me a heavy passport. I'm the champion rapper. No get some for head up. The rapper then step to I like the high. The people with that flow. Me na old school. Timbaland, beat full rapper, father go make this thing a land. Could you imagine if the grass stop now in this thing a land? At the key game steady, shout out to me nigga man, wow. Check me, where I rap, me na bravo. Man of the year, just like Mr. Navo. Me na world best, you na Gustavo. Anytime me hold the mic, Sam, he the Navo. Me name na Young 20, aka Abubo. So the go kill like Banga, Gagak, so go flow the spear, you go. Full for you, but so I grow up and this piece left without the koto. But I say rap, you know for we soon. Only mic like a water, enough free soon. Belly rapper, enough for C-stool. Me flows them all bad, all for pistol. You forget semi-rap, Sonny cripple. You foot spend, abuli you na kanike, triple. Young 20, you na liquid. 1+1, he say 5 in a big full.
AYV Cypher Uncensored every Saturday 10 p.m. Repeat on Thursday 10 p.m. on AYV.
It's your boy Johnny. Listen. Within a Montana car park, the engine is Cypher. Street done. Johnny don't hyper. It's about rap battle between three teams. And some skinny jean. I get Francis Owen by my side. Woody Red Cup and Johnny don't hype. The whole crowd they watch me. Now wanna listen me. This na presenter. The rap like exhibit. Chief judge I know say you the feel the boy. The rap not like magic, the all like toy. You say the boy down hyper. The crowd una alabo. I the rap small, me not presenter una alabo. And this the thing, I don't begin. I the rap like motor car, boom, me na engine. I don't check small, but make a take them. But so when you want say something, take them. And the baby done the dance, but it's shot small. And I told small, but I shot small. And the man done the laugh. And it's not time for the AYV season 3 make you dance. Are you ready? Make some noise, make some noise. This is the AYV Cypher Uncensored season 3, and you have DJ Johnny in the house. And this is the month end final. It's about to go down. And I have the beautiful co-host right now, Francis Owen. How you doing, baby?
I'm doing fine, and welcome back to the AYV Cypher Uncensored season 3. And this is the mountain final. And this mountain final will not get no topic at all. And if you know for say you clever, just build your topic for yourself and can't prove them. But this trip will not get no topic at all. And I want to know for say the favorite team they now for vote for, and the number way for vote for now 088000021. 088000021. And yeah, we therefore give the best because AYV na in Salon Sabi.
AYV na in Salon Sabi, and we are about to call the three teams for come battle right now on the AYV Cypher Uncensored second month end final. And with no wasting time, I'm calling on the first team on stage. Let's make some noise for Team Young 20. Team Young 20, Team Young 20. Make some noise for Team Young 20. It's going down tonight. And don't forget, so now one grand team get for qualify in the month end final. 3 teams they come battle, and it's only one team that will qualify for the month end final. So make some noise for Team Young 20. Team Young 20, Team Young 20.
And make some noise from Team ROZ. Team ROZ. Okay, the next one up, Team IRG. Team IRG. We know the city rappers them around, only the fans them. All.
Wait for Team RRG. Make some noise for the AYV Cypher Uncensored season 3. Now we get Team ROZ, Team RRG, and Team Young 20 for the second month final right down in Montana Car Park. And if you watch AYV Cypher Uncensored right now, know that you have your boy DJ Johnny, and I'm with the beautiful
Francis Owen. And the number way for vote for now 088000021. Don't forget to abeg.
Well, with no wasting time, we're gonna start the first round. No topic. It's all about the rap battle. So, would I believe yourself? Let it take the mic.
You know, I was there to final. Tell anybody, Mr. Paupa there. You know, see that they preach about the fast, non-violence. You know what I mean? You know, the man they let Kusef. Shout out to the chief judge. You know, RIP to God's son. You already know, man. You already know, man. This is what it is. You know, fast man don't can let some man hold on sides. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I was there to final. Votes, I was there. You already know, man. That's how we're gonna do this time, man. You know, AYV Cypher King. You know, some man pray, but I now see. Yeah, plenty thank you to all who qualify me by the votes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now me the guy. This you know, play down after this guy, play down. Tell anybody, yeah? Okay. Fast. Okay. Yeah, fast man don't come. Now for all our sides, pray for all his sins and pray for all the fights. Cause any sin I commit, angel go right. So I pray to me God for the blessing in life. For reveal you see, now the month this. Where you cap, where you gown, where you trust is. Fast all the days them, let you profit. If you not fast the Ramadan, then you don't cease. I the babe, now for fast during Ramadan. After fast month, some man not they pray. Abadan. Be a left, let we left this. Gagaban, forget about the feds. No go feds like Salaban. Let we stop all the beef, let we love ourselves. It stood MOB, let we hug ourselves. Not to send this for feds, but what you quit net. This now the message I the pitch, so no me lay deaf. All them feds say I know they make you grow. All them funny things say I go make we dey below. Too much feds, man ain't get for blow. Ludikonski, right now, things just a slow. All them senior, man they get for stop for us. This is how I do, I dey rap for me comforts. Give them non-stop, this is how I do. I was there, no the bus stop. Okay. Let we stop all the beef. This is how I do, y'all. Stop all the beef. Let we stop all the beef. Stop all the beef, this is how I do. Okay, first in the morning, this is how I gonna do. Let we say love, praise and thanks for the green and blue. Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Say we don't fed up with this old disaster. Now that's make a pray to me. Holy Master, Heavenly Father, have mercy on this nation. Mr. Government, remove us from sufferation. Even though we lack of education, please help the youth and serve this generation. We don't fed up every year and a new sickness. Life just a more in the streets, no more sweetness. Man can hustle all day, no get eat, yes, still a wonder. Who's the man go live fresh, we don't fed up. Every day, too much suffering, no good for the poor. This time, no more offering. Too much angry, maybe command all access. But I want me way aki, remember the past tense. But I pray, make me life not go astray. Yesterday I got the place, he must show me the way. He must show me the way, man.
Young 20.
Let the attack begin.
Je nigga. This is a young 20. Eh? Je nigga. Yeah. Young 20 on this mic, yo. Verse 1. And you know one thing for Isla Guna. Yeah. We was pump and poverty. Never me let the next mind property. You don't know how we get us to work out, go fair and change the attitude. Work not thief, the next mind bicycle. Life look for torment, wise people. No guy, man, that. Now God call them. They will always say fine under God cover. Yeah, yeah. Salute we can't ski. Now we for push am. But know what we say make we prove our we can't ski too fine. But luck go do some. Shout out to you, Emma Steen. Even check. Push along music. Now that's on me up, yo. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let we stop for bets later on we begin to get violence and bad scene. Make we not forget engaging our busy with faith. That's on all distance. But enough for left. Yeah, nigga. But enough for left. Young 20, yeah. Yeah, man, let's stop for fets. We begin to get violence and bad scene. Make we not forget. make we not forget. Yeah. The man is stopping violence. We all are one because of violence, but who don't go underground? If I say me now the key, not to see for come and vex me because of the crown. Yeah. Election don't also stop for vet for party. Let we stop for kill people for property. This so boy young when I beg now God key. Let we stop for vets now God key. Let man stop the vets. Let we no regrets. Violence and bad scene. Make we no forget. Make we no forget. Yeah. The shook man, you for red and blue. This your boy young 20 yo. Let we prove them, whichever that's them. We go lose them. The youngest rapper, heavy bars and the spit them. You the shook. The youngest rapper, rap game and the proof. Yeah, the man is so professed yo. This your boy young 20. When I go, I stick now this lane. This your boy young 20. I got fame, I get money. Them, I got learn. Shout out to you, bomb lads. Now me aim, I start for rap. Yo, they just say play.
Wow, that was so nice. Team IRG.
Attack. Big alien.
Yo, this is how we do, man. Hey, yo, I say, watch. Me not hear no nose, not see, no smells and all the friend. Hey, yo, coach. CTH121. I got your back, my niggas. Hey, yo, HIV Cypher. Hey, yo, this is the HIV sensitization rap, man. No left, man. No, protect yourself from the sick, you know, fine. Yeah. HIV in a bad sick, Fambulu na let we reason. This na advice, do ya una let we listen. My niggas are all better than pure. Prevention, we all know is far better than cure. So let we take caution and be beware of the virus. HIV they kill, let's be beware of the divorce. If I forget long life sweet, I go sensitize you now upon this long life beats. HIV real, it is transmit by blood, especially with the flow, it is transmit by love, especially where your partner don't already ill. No we think about the people where the sick don't already kill, and it tell you want sex, don't forget for use condom, for protect yourself. HIV induce common, don't use blood or scissors where the other man don't use. Now we learn lesson from the life where the other man don't lose. Right now the disease then are more than 25 nations. Thank God for the medical and the sensitization. Prevent yourself from the sick, from who are the one now. Don't get that with the wrong man or the wrong woman. Always use condom, now in the protector, always listen to father. Now in the professor, do so with carelessness, make the sickness just spread. Be careful, you ain't get the sickness done dead, you can live long. Bamboo only if you take treatment regularly every day. Now for use the same system. Do what the doctor say, except what he tell you. HIV no good for bula, so I go bail you. Always use the medicine where doctor prescribe. Always take the treatment where doctor describe. If you do this, bamboo you go end up for live long. No matter the condition, you go end up for be strong. The sick dangerous and he gets so many symptoms. This make our telling now so many sweet songs, telling about the acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Always listen to the rap and listen to the big ones. This message go most HIT. Please let beware of the virus HIV. You know, fine forget this virus, we don't make a loss be friend. As you get the virus, so it I do in the first weekend. If you get the virus, go hospital, not just pretend. I'm not going to tell for advice. I like a loss be friend. Yeah, I love we prevent her. The message is clear now, so I go present some. Say this sick here don't make beaucoup people they don't go. I'll be honest, it's also make beaucoup people they don't know. Say the virus is real and they kill ya. Go send it further. You men they feel ya. Say left the one. So do ya let we manage them. Let we not sit down. AYV, yeah. This how we do yo. Cap full day, 1-to-1. This how we do. AYV Cypher, yo. HIV no good, yo.
Make some noise for the AYV Cypher Uncensored. Make some noise. We are here having fun at the Montana car park. And viewers out there, you know, this is the AYV Cypher Uncensored Season 3. And this is the second Montana final between Team ROZ, Team Young 20, and Team RRG. And my name is Johnny, and I'm at the beautiful, you know, at the best parties, baby. Oh. What a beautiful.
Francis Owen. And I want to say what's up to the female rappers. The man that soon around from where the competition starts. Una no come, they are gonna try come on board. And I want to say we serve the woman then ki rap like how the man then they do.
Yes, of course. And don't forget, so we got DJ F-Mans today. F-Mans na DJ. Make some noise for F-Mans on the beat. F-Mans na DJ today. And we got Michelle Jawad in the studios. And now we can go to the second round. We're at the one-on-one rap battle. And in this round, now there, you for show yourself. You know, for 10 million leons, it's no fun. Beef your opponent and no laugh. Because, and don't forget, say for follow we on, you know, subscribe to our YouTube page. We're at AYV Cypher Uncensored. press the like link and then subscribe to we channel. And then within our Facebook, AYV Cypher Uncensored, and Twitter also, AYV Cypher Uncensored.
And the number way for vote on 088-00021, 088-00021. The competition begins.
Yes, now, Team Young 20!
Je nigga, this a boy Young 20. I start to big. Yeah, down 7 if you go school. Yeah. Young 20, Vax 1. I got you, nigga. Yeah. That's easy, mama. It's for the word point on now. The youngest rapper in California belong. You na California belong. Call me the rap soldier. Get a gap like Kibola. Look where the first beat, the Buddha Champola. The first now this year, me a heavy passport. I'm the champion rapper. No get some for head up. The rapper then step to I like the hide. The people with that flow. Stay by me, step, no get sent for then Chico. One Salobo, no ask for Amiibo. Shout out to Colorado. Me na Young 20. Me comes to Godo. Me name na Young 20, aka Abubo. So the go kill like Banga. Gagak, so for flooded. Yeah, you nigga. Full for you, but so I rope and it feels like Buddha de Koto. I stay fresh, you like what is the blow. Young 20, me na bolo. Watch me Koro. They disco you all kuwapi with Koboko. Zimbabwe Skype. No make a call, so the rapper, the vocal, me flow go make the dancer window. Let them back go, so one them now the side stool. That's so the flow. We just say one must for all manner for flow, yeah. Me not like Kappa home, they keep them busy. This are Young 20, they live life easy. That to you busy and chicks busy. Money just a flow, niggas it's easy. The rapper that's busy. Shout out to Wizzy and Richie Bros. Over one master and Mina the boss. Shout out to Tika Dada. Come and pray father. Mina Young 20. Get it for bullet saga. Anytime we go for mic, now Mina the Kondo Bala. Then two fuck get offended like a WhatsApp. For me, Mina master. Speed school big. I call me the rapper Jaka, but if for the saga is so poor, come down face like a sawa, head bumps and spits. Now power, the boost and raw, I like the spits and go sour. Shipping I like the spits and go sour. I like that before cook fine cow can go quick. Anytime I drop from the youngest hip hopper, close on the dog from the bunch of faster.
Wow, Team IRG.
Yo, 1-2-1. FKH all day. CTH. RG for the rap taking over. Yo. Gonado, nigga, Gonado. Instead of making I go make you gonna go, for a big player like Ronaldo, RG. Now we can make the best zonal show, so we know they take compromise like Shabala. Where I rap, so we rap from ya to Kabbalah, nigga. Before the flop, nigga, and Babala. Trust me, my baby, fine pass. Adra wow, father rap, me na one no tight scene. Man in the boss, but no able light scene. On me flow, nigga, na ice cream. It's all about the king and Nilish the nice queen. Yo, nigga, me not so Togolese. Got the green, white, and blue, are the best logo this. You know Sabi rap Sam, you know Mongolese. Shout out to the boss, LJ Go Police. Oh, yeah, nigga, listen to the cypher call. Anyhow they do, the logo will make the striker fall. I no go left Motorman and life and go that they draw big flow, heavy like a hyperball. Me na old school, Timbaland, big full rapper, father go make this thing a land. Could you imagine if the grass stop, now in this thing I am. At the key game steady, shout out to me nigga man, wow. When I say rap, you know for we soon. Only mic like a water, you know for soon. Belly rapper, enough for C-stool. Me flows them all bad, all for peaceful, nigga. Shout out to Nelly P and Callan G's. You test the team, but boy, we go bossy Fallan G's. This rapper lies, peak for Falla Breeze. And they flow now this game just like a Jada Kiss. Wow, father rap, na me na the papa rapper. Peak for old man, it's a like a Tapa rapper. Yeah, when I tell and say we pass a bacha, I like G nigga, now we not the master rapper. Set him out nigga, you too false. I make a vex and cut you too. Me not senior, but you not infant. You test me for the game, I go deal with you instant. But for test the king nigga, look where you walk. You nothing, dog. Look where you lack. I go dislocate the whole team. Plus, you bra. They're gonna for Freetown to Portugal. I'm not afraid, nigga, for Churchival. The last thing I inside room at Churchival. Now me on a one facing, one basing at the rep RG, aka the
Team ROZ.
Hey yo, Eddie close first. This close like crack you on this close. You creep. Now ready made. You know see you feel you know so police speaking first because you know benefits. I was there so final. In a security you need it to say police speaking. Sorry for your FA Junks and G1G. Check me where I rap, me na bravo, man of the year just like Mr. Navo. Me na world best, you na Gustavo. Anytime me hold the mic, Sam, in the Navo. See that a flush father, young 20. Una lack rap, bring the 2 MC. When they talk about rap, I get plenty the last step. You go meet me, say father lent me. You say father lent me the last time. You go meet me, say father rent me. You forget say me rap, Sonny cripple. You foot spend, abule you na kanike, triple. Young 20, you na lickle. 1+1, he say 5 in a big fool. But you rap na me 8, it don't make sense. Quick for boss you because it won't make sense. Yes, it won't bluff, it go take lens. Muku rapper, now only perfectness. First of all, me na you salon paddy. I was CEO, me na salon daddy. But you rap too manual, like a salon baby. AIV, big father, now we salon sabi. Now we salon sabi. Now we salon sabi. Are you ready? Olande. Olam. Father rap, nigga you too whack. You can't have so nigga. Who's class is up? Tell them back. Okay, you go let's go set for can rap. You go buy Poku fast there for can clap. You go tip Poku money for can pap. Or speaking rapper if you go, you no go come back. Mama thank you, me not so illiterate. You no go school, you no able read straight. I was that big father na the big state. When you follow me, I go smash you like big plate. Bless Exubi will make you pass audition. Before I rap first, I dey go na condition. Left tap, left tip, avoid confusion. Be a legal hustler and make many commission. I had subscribe on the game. Samagoro, I fish you new from the sea. Abobo, find face, you don't go see me and say awawa. Only rap then a rubbish. Na bolo, una no go able elekuna team up. I get the key for open elekuna.
Make some noise! Johnny, the place look tight. The place is really tight, Johnny. The place is really tight. I doubt if you are going to do for them.
Yagodu! Aha! This is the AYV Cypher Season Season 3, second month and final between Team ROZ, Team Young 20, and Team RRG. And right now we're at Montana Car Park. But make some noise for our DJ F-Mass in the building. Make some noise for DJ F-Mass. Well done. And we're about to go to the third rounds. No beats.
No beat at all. Are you waiting each and every of them to say? So that's why I like no beat. And I hope so not already.
Yes, no beats. And it's raw. You know, man never come back to himself and never say the money now 10 million and a deal with Kabaka. So no fun out there, no beats. And now we can start the show proper. RRG!
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, as I tell you once again, say now the voice of Father RAP Team RG. Say yeah, no nose, man, no sense, I'm not afraid, man. I like this, man. I say not for trouble rap because una na flux. See, I don't come for puts and lock, una na box. But rap me na works, but una na talks. Now then tap your killer boy, then go see if cooler na mocks. Not for talk about crap, here, nigga. Sees, man. Yeah, I say this team with other team, I like na the mix. Father no go afraid for drop, I like na them dicks. The big floor power me tell me, but I like na them this. I no go afraid for this then. I like na them 6. Take and make stuff, go someone can take and make draft. At the time I say this rapper crazy, but I be the take and make laugh. Sami baki kulo, I can't put this kulo. I can't you know sabi spell. This rapper baki fulo. He check for rap, father na brigadier. Na sense pack na father in brigadier. Any sorry father drop, ask for degree. Any sassy but your father go degree. Say the test me per rap nigga passy humble. Angry rapper before he eat passy jungle. Why make always where the rap passy grumble? Send it back na village. I already pack bundle. Yeah, nigga me floor make me butts in red. When I watch this nigga wait to be laugh with him rotten dredge. Yo nigga me leaves that he fits for go grab. I beg every self and advise this nigga he fits for go bab. Yo, I wonder what this nigga that advice me say me na cripple. Yeah, glad where this nigga tell me say me na kid tool. Yo nigga, we come up on the same order. I got this thing I never marry na mechanic brother. Yo, I this stuff for rap na me same brother. I got Joe lead nigga pan the same order. Trust me, I got practice na base. Look at this nigga walk with him glasses na face. Yo nigga, me rap them still sound. But this nigga the rap nigga in teeth brown. Yo nigga, the camera they watch me. I got Joe there, the camera they ask me. Yo nigga, watch this nigga invest. This nigga too late, so now watch this nigga in chest. Yo nigga on advisor for crepey aid. Yo nigga on advisor for taking blade. Yo on 0% on advisor for taking grade. I got jail day wet, so advisor for taking blade. Yo nigga, cut for exubi all day. Got you back nigga. This nigga they laugh. And this rap game, trust me, this nigga na scarf. I got jail day.
Young 20.
Hey, you a fool man, you believe saying a fool man. You a fool man, baby. You not flow. Edis. Nina bona throw in paddy, na bona throw in paddy. But watch this one, yo. Yeah. Who believe in bone? Na for kind side. Me punchline, they be like the boxer. Me wanna do follow na old cool cab side. Say this game not for first young 20 go be the scarce. Pen select to text, game flop na me elect what sana buckets. You want come against me, but wanna for cleaning nose. Tell me why the ink pan the young king in close. Always good man like Fadi can also say you know go able make the with how we see fake him. How we see fake name. I ask for Siba like more the right plane. He don't fit for her because he boxer don't check. Mukuna Babylon, the owner scam. 1+1, this year passing at 10. Una smelling body. So ranky. One do good music, he get for right side with pen. Mix ties in a mega gin, me float size like real G. Shout out to my homies in the hood. Rising at the beast man. I get gang like Tyson. Me face na passport. I blow the like Buzina for space. Before I reach the face. Me rams are already we go make them crazy. You not fool man. Now this kitina old man. Yo, we can shoot clip. Na Diamond Casino. Young Spenny and Steve will be bad passible. Niggas say they talk for rap then they zero. They bounce with the money. Kashibu ni hero for me. Favor me money. He the money them. Look where they work. They go glory. He they call it pa me swaggy bobo. Look where he's sorry. First me that make she left Buffy. And pa me flow Jackie like a cocky. I don't kill a bitch on a cow with the coffee. They flow now they push. Call them passanke. Look where they work. They come on lanke. KKK kill and kill them casanke. So boy young sweating. I mean how they judge. They flow too young. We go make for them bad day. Kill and beg the crew. See they. Yeah. I control the game like CID. Policeman picking me na PMP. No they wear penny passinada NGC. I don't buy the caskets RIP. Them so big don't die. DIE. I they kill them. Now this mic I they heal them. Big so hard. You swear they go defeat them. The point like somebody at the face at the spits. Watch me while they spit school lyrics. Any same I step and beat together after get disease. Look I mean I work for.
I was it.
You know, young. Hold on. This time, the guy dog. Slow down, nigga. Hey, father rap. Omole don't peel him out. Left for drink pega gin Sam. He dey peel his guts. One day before wound. He dey see results. Look his body, not dey find Sam. He dey see the faults. Father rap, you no get WhatsApp before you come. You anticipate say you no get rest na osway go warm. You anticipate vex straight away, it's no pan. Father rap, hey bro, na so it's an. Send me back. AYV Cypher not so choice play. You fit for the rap Africa choice day. After rap not so ya so I want stay. I must live with KME and raise up my life day. If me na room, you na latri. Pantry, national anthem, not sabiri than for a country. I'm on top more than you like the pantry. School days, Nami can force the you can't ski. Young 20, pay respect anytime where you see me team. If you beef well, it's guy, you not stupid thing. You not beef na report and go see you steam, you go pull the box, then baby then go shoot. Listen, now street father rap make funny I dey kill any beats, not a warrior. Where I win this cipher, una sorry I go go na smart soon, I face the no go moria. Young 20, any side where I rap down a big case. You rap small, enough full of briefcase. Clean case, man. It don't begin case. Toilet, dirty. Now you don't begin case. Father rap, you don't vote, you don't register. You want to be councillor, I go be your minister. Born Sierra Leonean, you not Guinea star. Cheap by the mic, Bobo man. You not Guinea car. You dream gently at the end, you die poor. Brigadier Pandis rap, not so 5-0. When you come against me, you go die, go, so you not the best. Bona libo. Yo, okay, game change where I come in at Skobula. I want the streets every day, money double. You dey repeat rap, so una bokula, I'm out of the competition. We go set Sula. I mean you. Nobody no go part today, na me and you. You don't be where you guys go come up behind you. If you rap don't left, stealing you. Okay, Super that Jackson that is so than me. I come out soon, you go know who that be. I repeat so Ahmed Jankana be me and you na like Indian film Ajana be. I stay on point. Any rapper the whitewash. Country go together in a whitewash. Smell much. Yadot by white brush. Upgrade yourself, Babu man. Left night shot.
Make some noise for the AYV Cypher Uncensored Season 3. Hold up. Hey. Hold up. All fans of RZ, please make some place. Who never start? George, actually, who never starts the first year? Who never started the other round?
I want RLG start the first round, you know what I mean? RLG, you know what I mean? Then the next for the line, Young 20, and the last man in line, you know what I mean? ROZ. The man ain't kill him, boo.
So who never starts now?
RLG, right? RLG to start the first round, you know what I mean? So I'll show you stuff. Now listen, the man and show themselves in a more real way, you know what I mean? I expect more from man and because I know say man and gets up, but man and they hide us. So the man improve on now, you know what I mean? Ayo, make some noise, yo!
Yes, one more round by the fans. And now we're going to Team RRG. But don't forget to say any fan work inside will disqualify the rapper. Please, any fan work inside will disqualify the rapper. So now, as George X will be saying, make some noise for DJ F-Mans on the beat. DJ F-Mans, make some noise for DJ F-Mans. And now we're going to RRG. Yes, with beats.
Yo. Clock 4 day. We a rap G's. This how we gon' do, nigga. Yo, AYV Cypher. Yo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all about the rap, the freaks on pride. Yo, when you see me, you fit for hide. Already get the talent, so I no fit for bribe. Yeah, me not be the nigga where beats for buy. Send me rap na like gig, it's sweet for ride. Man and rap cold, so not to pass a shiva, just a killer like a rasta. That's a f***er, wow. Rest in peace, the rasta leader. Too fame and get name like the master Caesar of talent. Man one crucify us, one for civil clothes. When they put inside box, they no go able cause it's in classic. Only game start, just like a green plastic. This na hip-hop game, not a gymnastic. I can't for born rappers then, so I bring my cheese. For the rap, I say, na me na the free song for Sombo. Where they rule this game, from Freetown to Congo. Any style rap, the old free song go Novo. I got friends all around, from Keystone to Sombo. For rap na Salone. Na me first start, intelligent rap. I know they deal with my Mikos rap. Talk with name, boss fan them. Na me first start, man they die for yan baby way. Na me first nigga, see that the beef rap, cook na chicken. And me rap and the ball, like a soup na kitchen. Give me word yo, make I get super freaking. Many whack nigga today, super beefing, wow. The chop rappers are like 104, shout out to 101.
Sure nigga, it's a poor young 20. In a check, he believes say in a check, man. In a cafe. You know, go school, you know, big man, big fool. Young 20. I can't show nigga. Young 20, I they kill this person at all. Yeah. Yeah. Young Spenny don't come back. Let me give X. Boy, I got gap. But me no listen to Zeph. Get pumped now me area. Good lyrics speak where go there be them I love ya. Now this week is say ya. Speak good lyrics yo. I know the failure. My 81 say Calabash na blessing. Let me from be evil do I no get stressing. Find me what's on a me next screen. Take it a best to the wife. This team into this so me pay and 9 million queen. Yeah. 9 million twin. Now you not the one where I don't shoot as my wife. No matter situation, I keep on swipe. You on the light songs when you on the mic and you not the queen and me not the king. Baby girl, I want you hard. I go fix by even any. Tell my sleep now you one of the stream. Trust me now you one of the stream. Pull it back, bro. This a boy young Spenny. Yeah. Me not get goats. Ready for Tosi Os. Come say come up with if I listen to me flow. Me not like Toto is the killing beat slow. Me not the rapper the Kosombo. No Sudan a bolo. The spit out flow. Give them corner and go with it. Drop then they shock. Bang gang. No face B-boy with the can. No lyrics now we Edward LG get the game. Can ready for and cool. Can ma assassin on the beat just sexy man at the street.
You know, today no count that 8,000 Chinese man can show. You know, Chuchong. If you not come here, wake up now, King Song. Me not King Kong. Okay, Father Rap. You. Yeah, you the sweet face because I pass you. You better lose face before I go mass you. Screw me lyrics on me though. I go gas you. Campus salo hip hop rap. They know they class you. If not so F-Man's insect, I for don't blast you. I for don't blast you. Nigga, I for don't blast you. You say rap done. I was dead, big father. Now me fans and they consider. Made the game sweet. Now that geek call up Pusida. Man they play smart for them. End up like Machida, but me na world best. Look at fans and they watch me back. Me them they play bad. Like ball and feel. After rap electronic. Now me other skill. Father want out me no know how I feel, but I put like cigarettes na box all I see. Now for mind the way, I the kind side. If not so that, I go make it team capsize. I go say that quick for flick team one side, this a warning. If you don't want to see me bad side. You dey all away the rap, you stress back. People like that more kid going in a book with them press back. Yeah. But I rap you not speech. I rap you not speech. All man don't say you not witch. Where I rap now me message and they preach. But I rap you not speech. All man don't say you not witch. Make some noise! I was Z!
AYV Cypher Uncensored. That Montana car park, you know. This is not the bonus sound. The AYV Cypher Uncensored season 3. And we got DJ F-Mas, we got producer, and we got DJ Johnny and Francis. So when but now so we done. And now hug ourselves, Let me dog yourself.
And I appeal to una the viewers, una what they vote for them. Yeah, baby, not vote because of you sabi the person, vote because of the person get talent. And I've been your most beautiful presenter, Francis. So when they say bye bye.
You know, the man can dance to one of Kemi's finest song, you know. The man dance to Kemi. You know, so the man that win this thing about Kemi, they go for go. So now dance to Kemi. When I dance to the recent song of Kemi. Well done. Do it, prove on. Wine pan the boy like pop. Well done. Stop pass a silly stop. That's what it is. TROZ and TRRG. If you love AYV Cypher, make some noise!